In the middle of services, you're caught in a mass shooting at your church. Now what? In this video, I'm showing you a real training clip of a shooting scenario we conducted and how it unfolded with worshipers and a single security guard at the church. We'll watch the clip in full first, then I'll be breaking it down frame by frame to point out key takeaways that you, as a private citizen, should know if you're ever in this situation. And a quick reminder, we have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. Let's roll this full clip. We set up this training scenario to mimic what we figured an average church service would look like. Clearly it's a training scenario, so the people are a little bit on edge when they're inside there already, but they're paying attention to everybody who comes into the services. And I think that's really important. You need to know who's coming and going from your church services. You know who the regulars are, and you know who you're going to be looking for when you're at church. Pay attention to who arrives and what they're doing.
So greatly enjoyed that. That's also going to be starting up here in September, and we're looking forward to the start.
Now we see the guy comes in with the umbrella. We're paying close attention to him, but everybody sees the lady rush in and drop the keys. She gets nervous.
I have the opportunity to share with you some of the...
Now this guy stands up and makes his move, pulls out a rifle and starts shooting. Look at what everybody does. Naturally, people are getting down on the ground and they're trying to get out of the way. That's what you need to do if you're not part of the church security team or you're not in a position to attack this shooter. Right there, he dropped a magazine. That means he had to reload his gun. Maybe there's an opportunity to rush at him at that point, but maybe not. What we need you to do in a situation like this is to get down, look for the exits, know where they are before you get in there, and try to get out alive. You have to take care of yourself and your family. But again, you're in a situation where you need to be seeking cover and moving. And once you move, commit to that movement. Okay, is everybody good? We're down? Yep. All right. Anybody hurt? Give me a thumbs up if you're feeling okay. Everybody got a thumbs up? Tom, come on in. Pastor John, come on in. White, can you come on over here? Yep. Want to just do a quick little recap about where everybody went and what everybody saw. Tom, we'll start with you. Why'd you do what you did when you come across?
When I first saw him get his weapon out, I yelled gun. Initially engaged the subject in this area here, trying to get some cover behind the chairs. He went that way. I came over here, reloaded, put more rounds towards him, and then I ran out eventually and had to get out. Okay, you were running out of ammo.
Yeah. And bailing out. Pastor John, what did you see and what happened for you?
Yeah, when he pulled the weapon out, I made my way across the stage and saw people trying to get out through a non-exit, and so I encouraged people to make their way to the correct exit so they could actually go out of the building, and then I followed them out.
All right, did you see what was happening in here, or were you just busy helping?
No, I was trying to keep an eye on where Tom was headed as he was going across and where the shooter was going, just to make sure that I could try to get people across as safely as possible.
And Wyatt, I saw that, typical of an untrained shooter, you had some trouble with your concealment there.
With the umbrella.
Yeah.
The whole thing got caught up in there, but it had the secondary weapon, was able to...
Second firearm you brought into play out that way. That would have been a perfect time for you to crush that distance, and instead of create distance and get cover, get up on him and be shooting at him. He might be trying to shoot through his umbrella or tied up, and in a big group setting like this, we need to stop him as quickly as possible. So accurate shots much closer might be a little bit better.
Sure.
So, but I know that all of the training as a law enforcement officer is create distance, look for cover, engage, reload, and you shouted gun right away. You let everybody know what was going on. I don't think anybody in here was confused about what was happening. There was a shooter, correct? So may have been an opportunity while Tom was engaging from over here if an armed shooter wanted to engage, but you have to be very careful. We're responsible for all the rounds that go downrange. This was a good scenario. You guys all did a great job. Thank you very much. It's good to have you here. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. And another quick reminder, we have that gun giveaway going on and it ends really soon. All you have to do is click the link below and reveal which brand new gun you could win. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, comment and like this video because YouTube is actively suppressing firearms videos and we need your help to defeat the algorithm and push gun videos out to more people. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.